Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking class 1 subject maths. Taking class 1 subject math. Today we will discuss chapter 2 page number 22 and 23. Discuss chapter 2 page number 22 and 23. Children, open your textbook. This is our maths textbook. Open your textbook. Page number 22. Open your textbooks. Page number 22. See this picture, children. What you can see in this picture? We can see buildings. We can see vehicles parked. We can see trees. Yes, children. What are the three vehicles parked here in the picture? Bike, car, bicycle. Bike is first. Then second place car. Then last third place bicycle. So bike, car, bicycle. Now see where is bike. The bike is parked before the car. Where is the bike? The bike is in front of the car. Yes, the bike is standing in front of the car. Where is car then? Before bicycle. Car is before bicycle. Bike is before car. So the car is parked. Where is car now? Car is in between bike, bicycle. Where is car? Car is in between. Where is car? Car is in between bike and bicycle. Where is bicycle then? After car. Where is bicycle? Nothing is there. No children here. Back side. So we have after car. The bicycle is parked after car. Yes. After car, bicycle. Next to bicycle, no vehicle is there. Next to bicycle, no vehicles are there. So the bicycle is placed after car. Car is in front. Bicycle is back. Bicycle is back. Before means in front of. Before means in front. Before means in front. If you stand in a row, some children will stand in front of you. Some children will stand in front, back of you. In front means before. The children those who are standing in front are before. The children those who are standing back are after. They are standing in front of me. They are standing before me, we'll say. If children are standing back of you, what you will say? They are standing after me. They are standing after me. So here the bike is before car. The bike is before car. The car is between both bike and bicycle. The bicycle is after car. The bicycle is after car. Now see the next picture. What is this here given? Books, football and clock and alarm clock. Alarm clock, football, books. Alarm clock, football, books. Can you say me where is football now? Football is in between alarm clock and book. Where is football? Football is in between alarm clock and books. Books are after. Alarm clock is before. Football is books are after. Alarm clock is before. In the same way, these using pictures, children, before, after, between. Now we will learn numbers. Example 2 is given in page number 22. 9, 10, 11. How many digits are given here? 9. 9 is what? Single digit number. 9 is what? Single digit number. 10, 9, 11 are 2 digit numbers. 10, 9, 11 are 2 digit numbers. Now we will fill this. 9 is before 10. Where is 9 standing? 9 is before 10. 9 is before 10. Then where is 11? After. Before means in front. After means next to you. Before means in front. After means back. So 9 is before 10. 11 is after 10. Is it clear, children? 9 is before 10. 9 is standing before 10. 11 is after 10. Where is 10 then? Where is 10 then? 10 is between 9 and 11. Where is 10 now? 10 is between 9 and 11. See here. 9 is before 10. 9 is before 10. 11 is after 10. 10 is in between 9 and 11. Now go to this fill in the blanks. 2C. Exercise 2C is given in page number 22, children. Fill in the blanks. 3, 4, 5 are given. Yes. Number 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 are single digits or 2 digit number? Yes. 3, 4, 5 are single digit number. 4 is just dash 3. Where is 3, children? 3 is here. Where is 4 then? 4 is after 3. Yes, 4 is after 3. Where 4 standing? After 3, 4. So, after spelling AF, T-E-R. Now say where is 5? 5 is after 4. 4 is after 3. 5 is after 4. So 5 is just after 4. AF, when we will write 5? After writing 4 only we will write 5. When we will write 4? After writing 3 only we will write 4. So 5 is AFTER, after 4. 4 is dash 3 and 5. First see where is 4? 4 is here. Where is 4? 4 is in between 3, 5. In between. Yes, 4 is in between 3 and 5. So say between spelling BETWEEN, between. 3 is just dash 4. Where is 3? 3 is standing before 4. Where is 3? 3 is before 4. So before spelling BEFORE, before. Read once again children. 4 is just after 3. 5 is just after 4. 4 is between 3 and 5. 3 is just before 4. Is it clear children? Write this both in classbook and textbook. Now, next topic, increasing order, decreasing order. Increasing order means small to big. Increasing order means small to big. What are these children? Mangoes. What are these? Mangoes. See the first mango, how it is? Small. Second mango, little big. Third one, big. Fourth one, very big. Yes, you can see them. How mangoes will grow? First it will be very small, then little big, then big, then very big. So this is known as increasing order. Writing, arranging numbers from small to big. Small to big is known as increasing order. Like this, small mango to big mango, small mango to big mango. This is known as increasing order. Increasing order means arranging the numbers or objects from small to big. Increasing order means arranging the numbers from small to big. Increasing means expanding, making big. Increasing means what? Making big. So small to big. How we will increase? Yes, if it is small, then how we will increase and make it big. Yes, so this is small to big. Small to big, big writing the numbers or drawing any pictures like this. Small to big number is known as increasing order. When we will increase, if a number is small, then we will make it big by increasing. Yes, so increasing order means small to big. Increasing order means small to big, arranging objects or numbers from small to big. Decreasing order. Decreasing order means big to small. Decrease means making small. Decrease means making small. Decreasing order means, here you can see the stars. First one is big. Second one is little. Third one is small. Fourth one is very small. Yes. So this is decreasing order. Small to big to small. Decreasing means big to small. Increasing means small to big. Increasing means small to big. Decreasing means big to small. Arranging the numbers from big to small. Arranging the numbers or objects from big to small is called decreasing order. Increasing order means small to big. Arranging any objects or numbers from small to big is known as increasing order. Big to small is known as decreasing order. Is it clear children? Increasing, decreasing. You can see in your textbook page number 23. See your textbooks page number 23 children. Yes, in this it is given increasing order and decreasing order. You can see when you are baby, yes, when you are born you are very small. Now also you are in same size. No, you are increasing. Yes, year by year you are going on increasing. When you are born you are like this baby. Then when you are going to school, yes, when you are going to college, when you are going to office, you will increase. Yes, you will increase. That is known as increasing order. Increasing order means small to big. Increasing order means small to big. Here you can see decreasing order means big to small. Decreasing order means big to small. Increasing order means small to big. Decreasing means big to small. You can see this picture children. You will understand clearly. It's on page number 23. Arranging numbers or objects from small to big is known as increasing order. Big to small is known as decreasing order. In next class I will explain you with numbers, children. You will write this, fill in the blanks both in classwork and textbook, children. And see here, I gave you homework, write exercise 2C. This is 2C. In classwork and textbook, you will fill here in your textbook. You have here exercise 2C, A, B, C, D. These 4 you will copy in your classwork and also in textbook. You understand this, children. In next class, I will teach you increasing and decreasing order with numbers. Okay, children, complete your work neatly. Thank you.